Here's app called Widgy Widgets. So just tap get and then you'll just be able to install it. Double click to install. Lock and home screen widgets here for you. And then yeah, home and lock screen widgets can be pretty bland and useless. If we did anything to theme them, it's mostly straight out of template. That's not Widgy. With Widgy, your home and lock screens become your screens. You can make any kind of widget imaginable that perfectly matches the rest of your aesthetic. No limit sharing is easy and all of that. There are so many apps in this category where you can customize your home screen, apps, icons, home screen widgets, lock screen widgets. So it's just for you to figure out which app you like and then just probably upgrade in this app, because without being upgraded, yeah, you'll just not get the full value. But then yeah, here you have like weather widget, you can give access, and then you can create this account. So you can have like simple date, for example, add it as a copy. And then also there is a widget editor, which is quite powerful actually, where you can completely edit your widget and make it as your own, which is pretty cool. And then just change it like this, and then yeah, you can just edit it, and then you can see and change the size of it, and so yes, something like that. Then I guess you can just save it. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then I have the widget. I can explore some more. You can see a lot of widget for all types of use cases here. Home screen widgets. So here's in the bottom you see home screen, lock screen, watch widgets, and then Reddit. I don't know what that is. Reddit is just probably some widgets from the community. And then how to install them. So I hope you can just, yeah, as you do with any other widgets, just tap and hold, you will see apps jiggling. And then what you do is just search for widgets like Widgy. And then here you have small widgets, small one, different types of widgets which you can find here. And then you can just tap add widgets, and then yeah, you can just tap sign, and then you need to tap, and then you will be able to assign this widget like this, and then there you have it. So this is the process for you, how you can install these home screen widgets to Widgy app. So yeah, pretty cool. So that's basically the idea. So try it out.